How do I clear do error if nothing is on top of Bravo's XL washer?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Error do means that the door lock assembly isn't working properly. The washer is trying to continually unlock, which is why you hear the clicking noise, but it doesn't sense that the lock is in the unlock position. Either way, this is just a failed door latch assembly. There isn't much you can do but to order and replace the door latch assembly to fix this issue. Below is a video that shows you how to replace the door latch assembly if you're handy enough to do it yourself. Please remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website itself or the problem of your appliance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.